Hello all, and welcome to this meditation video. Today we are going to be paying attention to sounds externally, what we hear around us, and of course the sounds inside the head. So we're going to warm up real quick for about a minute, take some deep breaths, do the meditation of paying attention to sounds, and then I'll have some closing remarks and get you guys out of here. Alright, so here we go. Let's take some deep breaths to get settled into the space. Deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Deep breath in and out. All right, now 2 more breaths at your own pace. You can have your eyes open or closed, doesn't matter. One more breath for good luck. All right, now that we're a little more settled, I want you guys to pay attention to all sounds that you hear, whether they are sounds that you hear from this video, like the sound of my voice, or maybe the birds chirping in my background, or the sounds around you. Hum of the fridge, the dryer, people talking, cars going by, or silence. It doesn't matter what it is. Just pay attention to all sounds you hear in your present experience. Already you may hear a siren in the background. Although this is not ideal for meditation, most things in life come up unexpectedly. And can we simply accept them for what they are and let them be here? Because if we do not accept it, we're only hurting ourselves, stressing ourselves out. It's a loud siren. But like everything, it comes and goes. All sensation, all sound, everything you can experience is transient. What do you notice in your environment? What do you hear? It's at this point in the meditation that you might hear, not externally from you, around you, but you may hear something within. I don't mean to sound woo-woo or meditation, I mean your thoughts. Are thoughts coming up? Those are sounds too, the voices within the head. Simply listen, just like you would any other sound outside of your body. A thought comes, we notice it, we listen to it, and we don't do anything about it. Listening to thoughts in this way is activating what is called our clarity muscle, the skill of being aware of anything, but in this case we're applying clarity to our thoughts. We're becoming aware of our thoughts, becoming aware of all sounds that we hear around us, external and within. Great job. Just a few more minutes here. The simple act of sitting and listening can help still the mind, because we are intentionally not trying to do anything but observe what is already here. All right. So we just completed a meditation on paying attention to sounds. You may have found this helpful or able to help you relax, or you may not. Maybe you didn't like listening to sounds around you. This was just what is called a home base. This is just one home base where we put our attention into something. We put it into sound. That was our home base today, and that may resonate with you and it may not, and that's okay. But that was just one example of a home base, something to try out. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Thank you.